Three Little Pigs Rebuild. An original tale by Soup Krause, the Story Lady. Once upon a time, there lived three little pigs. They were brothers who loved each other very much. In the last story, the brothers left home to discover new adventures. All was going well until they had an encounter with a wolf, which left two of the pigs homeless. What happens next? Stay tuned to find out. One Saturday morning, the three little pigs talked about what happened to the straw and the stick house. They couldn't understand why the wolf blew those houses down in such a forceful way. Even though they lost two of their homes, they decided to use this opportunity to show kindness and forgiveness towards the wolf. Charlie, the youngest pig, made a basket filled with a variety of fresh produce from Farmer Brown's farm. This time of year, Farmer Brown harvests crops like sweet yellow corn and sells them to the public at his farm stand. Charlie loved eating corn, especially with melted butter and sea salt. Sam, the middle pig, liked to bake. He was mainly known for his famous double chocolate cupcakes. Every year, Sam enters the baking competition at the Harrington Fair. At that fair, he always wins first prize. Last year, he received the title of the world's best baker. Sam decided to bake 5 of his very special double chocolate cupcakes from his secret recipe for the wolf. Ben, the oldest pig, enjoyed making homemade soup. Every day for lunch, he would prepare a fresh pot of soup for his brothers, Charlie and Sam. Ben was making chicken and wild rice soup the day the wolf slid down the chimney. Today, he decided to cook his ultimate chicken noodle soup for the wolf. Ben made enough to fill 2 containers of soup. The wolf would have enough soup to last him 2 days. The 3 little pigs were excited about the goodies they prepared for the wolf. They decided to deliver the goodies to the wolf's home that day. It was a beautiful and refreshing summer day. On the way to the wolf's house, they saw the damaged straw and stick house. It was sad to see the debris from the destruction of the houses. So they decided to rebuild their homes after they delivered the wolf's gifts. They were very nervous to go to the wolf's home. They knocked on the door. But the wolf did not answer. The wolf wasn't home. As a result, the brothers decided to leave their act of kindness in the wolf's front yard with a note signed from the 3 little pigs. One hour later, the wolf returned home. He was surprised to see the goodies in his yard. After reading the note that the pigs left behind, he felt remorseful for his actions. After the wolf took the goodies inside, he immediately went to look for the 3 little pigs. He wanted to apologize to the pigs for his rude behavior and thank them for their kindness. Quickly, the wolf went to the brick house. He knocked on the door, but no one answered. Then he peeked in the window. He did not see any of the pigs. No one appeared to be home. Just then, he heard a noise in the distance. The wolf followed the sound until he saw the pigs at the rubble from the straw house. The pigs were rebuilding the straw house. The wolf quickly went to the straw house to talk to the pigs. He apologized for making the mess and thanked them for the goodies. Then the wolf picked up a broom and started to help the pigs clean the debris and rebuild the straw house. It took them a few hours to rebuild the house. While they worked, the pigs and the wolf got to know each other better. They found out that they had many things in common. For example, the wolf and the pigs both enjoyed scuba diving. They also both enjoyed mountain climbing. They made plans to go climb one of the Pattymation Mountains soon. When the straw house was finished, it looked like a new and improved home. They were all very pleased at how it turned out. They were so delighted that they decided to rebuild the stick house. The pigs and the wolf worked on the stick house the rest of the day. Even though their bodies started to ache and they were getting tired, they continued until the job was done. When the stick house was finally finished, they were glad they had the opportunity to get to know each other better. They were becoming good neighbors. The wolf invited the pigs over for dinner. The wolf served Ben's ultimate chicken noodle soup and the corn from Charlie. Then, for dessert, they each had one of Sam's famous double chocolate cupcakes. Today was a good day for the three little pigs. They met a new friend and they rebuilt their houses. The end. Until the next